Hi guys, I'm Johnny from CineD, and today on my table is the new BLAZAR Mantis 1.33x Anamorphic lens, and I paired it together with the Sony FX2. Now, it is a review, but not a scientific one. I didn't put the lens in front of a chart or anything. I just want to see in terms of usability how the lens together with the camera works for me. So I decided to go out and make kind of a feel-good story. The Mantis is a 1.33 T2 full-frame anamorphic lens. The company has several lenses in this series, but I chose to work with the 35mm. Now, although it's 1.33, the company claims that it can give an aesthetic of 2x anamorphic lens. Now, I know how it is. Everybody sees a little bit different. I can tell you that for me, the look is very nice. It's really gorgeous. And this is my new favorite lens, anamorphic lens, when it comes to 1.33. It's very small. I can show you how small it is. Give me a second. That's it. That's the lens. I have here an adapter because this is a PL mount lens, but this is also interchangeable. You can change it to any, like E, L, Z, and so on. And regarding the FX2, well, I know what you guys are saying. I heard a lot of stuff. For me personally, this camera is the one that I like most to work with in the compact FX line, only because of the EVF. I mean, if you will see this video and you will see the conditions that I was working in, like it's very hot, it's sunny. So yes, it has some obstacles. The 50 and 60p are cropped, and 120 frames per second is not 4K. And you know what? It's also not so much anamorphic friendly. Yeah? But all in all, for me, this camera from the compact FX line is working best because of the EVF. And with the Mantis together, I really like the results. So I encourage you to see this feel-good video. And of course, comments or anything that you want to say or write is very welcomed. Thank you guys for watching, and let's watch the short video.